So now we have the people who know of you. Okay. Those aren't strangers. They know what you do, but they don't know why what you do should matter to them. They don't know exactly what you do well enough to tell other people. So now to the people who kind of know you, who are saying, "Oh, well, sis, she a life coach." You know, sis, she do something with flowers. Okay, those people, they can't refer you anybody because they don't really know what you do. So now to the people who know of you, are you willing to put together a clear message that allows people to fully understand exactly what you do? Don't call me a marketing guy. So now as a sales generator who uses marketing, if you are trying to get your dollars up and you want to use marketing to do it, he is the guy you call.